Hi po. Nasaan po si CK? Hello po. Hi RC. Hello po. Kain po tayo. Mukbang. Mukbang slide. Na may... Mm,
6 Ay,
mm,
nagalag ba?
mm.
Tingnan mo to.
Ano to?
Peach. Na may yan.
Ang sarap! Ang sarap! Hi po! Isang hi naman, client. Hi, Angelo. Ano yan, Jajangmyeon? Opo, ito po yung dahilan kung bakit tagal ko mag-live. Kasi nihintay ko pa po yung na maluto ni Kuya Ouija. Si Kuya Ouija po gumawa nito. Hi, SB. Mm. Magagalit ba siya if ikaw na fave ko? Hindi. Ako bala sa'yo. Hi, Six Sense Official. Kamusta? Hello po. Asan yung cat ears? Oo nga pala. Yan. Okay na ba yung cat ears nito? Hello po, Alexander. Hi, Litokmul. Hi, Tina. Hi, Aiko. Mukbang tayo ngayon. Guys, luto to ni Kuya Ouija, yung leader namin. Thank you po sa heart. Hi, my name's Klein. Nakakagutom. Hi! Hello po. Andyan ba sila Andyan ba yung mga maiingay sa Twitter? Naglalaro po ba kayo ng online games? Yes po. League of Legends. Hi Zia! Hi Irish! Hi Ses! Hi Anchor! Guys, sorry super late. Naging 9:30 yung live kasi hintay ko yung luto ni Kuya Wiki. Client, sarap mo gawa ng fan art. Ang cute mo. Thank you po! Thank you so much. Hi, I miss you, client ko. Hello. Andito na ako ulit. Hala, good night na si Rose. Okay lang, kain ka marami. Jajangmyeon po. Luto po ni Kuya Ouija. Tinolang Velociraptor. Guys, mahal yun. Mahal yung tinolang, Velociraptor. Sure na po talaga hindi kayo tutuloy sa lipa. Kanina na po ginanap yung sa lipa. You're back at London. Hello. Nice to see you again. Guys, super sarap ng luto ni Kuya Ouija. It's called jajangmyeon. It's like black bean paste, I think. Thank you po sa heart. It's a jajangmyeon, black bean paste something with is it pork? With pork.
Ano?
With pork to, di ba? Yeah, pork. Thank you po. Nabutan ako ni Kuya Ouija ng drink. Si Kuya Ouija din gumawa ng drink. It's a peach Yakult something. Parang napipilitan kasi nasa gilid si Ouija. Hindi, nasa labas po si Kuya Ouija. Inabutan niya lang ako ng pagkain at ng drink. So, sino nakakaalala? Anong agenda natin today? So, kanina, last time, sabi ko, Klein, kung ang Tagalog ng white ay puti, bakit ang ganda ng iyong ngiti? Thank you po. Yung yung first agenda was, 'di ba? Nanood kami. Huy, Klein, o bakit Zia? Kalma ka lang, nababasa ko yan. Ang tawag dito? Nanood kami ni Kuya Ouija ng Barbie and ng Soul nung wala yung ibang members kasi nagsiuwian. Ako yung last na umuwi. Naunang umuwi sila Drew, Kuya Asa, Kuya Lee, Kuya Sevi, and Kuya Jai. Tapos, so ako yung last na umuwi. Ako yung huling umuwi sa sarili kong bahay. And then, nanood muna kami ni Kuya Ouija ng Barbie. Guys, like, yung sinasabi nila na overrated lang yung Barbie. Guys, it's actually really, really good. Hindi ko pinopromote yung Barbie, pero guys, you should really watch Barbie. It talks about a lot of social issues. And umiyak kami ni Kuya Ouija. Naiyak kami ni Kuya Ouija. Dun sa nung pinanood namin yung Barbie, it's really good. It's worth the hype. It's not just overrated. The movie itself was really good. Kami ni Kuya Ouija, we really liked how the script was written. It was really subtle, pero inaatake niya talaga yung mga social issues na super prevalent sa world natin ngayon. Naiyak kami dun sa may ending part, and parang sabi namin nung ending, ihag ko nga si mama pag uwi, ganun. Yeah, actually you thought na pang bata, pero no, mas maraming naiyak na mothers kesa mga bata nung pinanood namin yung Barbie. Tapos, yung Soul naman, hindi ko talaga siya napanood dati nung matagal na pala siyang nirelease. Tapos si Kuya Ouija, siya yung nag-aya sa akin manood ng Soul. And then, guys, it's really a good movie. Parang, nung napanood ko yung Soul, it made me realize more about life. And parang, gugustuhin mo na lang na maging happy ka everyday. Gugustuhin mong do your best everyday, tapos gusto mo na lang maging masaya. Promise, kasi super ganda ng movie. It talks about how you should like use your life, ganun. Basta, super ganda. Wait lang, ang sarap ng pagkain. Pero recommend ko talaga panoorin niyo yung Barbie tsaka yung Soul. Soul. As in, kaluluwa. Yeah, S-O-U-L. It's a great movie from Pixar. Guys, ang sarap ng luto ni Kuya. Sino nagluto? Kuya Ouija, our leader. Tapos itong ginawa niya na drink, it's peach and Yakult. Oo. Oo, Zia. Hi, Aliyah. Tara is spoiled sa kuya. O hindi ah. Siya nagluto, ako bumili. So, it's not spoiled. Tapos, ayun. Basahin natin. Tawag dito, last time, sinong nag-live nung nakaraan? Si Kuya Ouija po. Si Kuya Ouija yung last na nag-live. Okay, so last August 10, I posted sa X na, "Hello Essence, are there anything you want to talk about on my next live? Feel free to drop suggestions or questions on the comments." Mall tour daw when. Nagmo-mall tour kami, diba? Sa Pipa Fiesta. See you on Pampanga. Okay. So, let's start. Basahin natin. I'm with my laptop here sa tabi. Basahin natin yung mga kino-comments nyo. Let's see. Hindi ko mababasa lahat, actually. I mean, I won't be entertaining every question. Thank you po sa mga, thank you sa mga pagpe-praise nyo dyan. Hindi ko guys ma-entertain lahat kasi of course, there would be some na hindi ko pwedeng sagutin. And there would be parang wala namang sense for me. De joke lang. I mean, I'll try to answer everything. Hi, Justinology SB19. Post ka Kuya Klein, may album ako sa gallery mo. Okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, sabi dito, what's the first thing that comes to your mind when I say think of a happy memory? Actually, nung binasa ko yung tanong na yon, wala akong naisip. Like, walang nagpa-pop up. Ewan ko kung ang bagal siguro mag-process ng brain ko. Pero, I think happy memory was on June 5. That was the moment na parang basta, it was the moment that changed my life. Sixth Sense. Yeah. Okay. Sabi, let's talk about dreams as in panaginip. As much as I want to talk about dreams, panaginip, it's really a broad topic. Pero, maybe we can talk about it next live. Kasi, ang dami talaga. Inaabot kami ni Kuya Ouija ng like 5 a.m., 6 a.m. Nagkikwentuhan kami about our dreams. Like, nagkikwentuhan kami tungkol sa mga napanaginipan namin, sa panaginip namin. Naabot kami ni Kuya Ouija ng madaling araw. Yeah. May nagtanong dito, are you single? No, I am album. Di po ako single, isa po akong album. If you could go back to, ano to? If you could go back, ano to? Same tayo ng headphones. Siyempre, ano lang to eh. Alam nyo na kung saan nabibili. Kat, hintayin mo gift ko sa Pampanga. Sige po, hintayin ko po. Hi Clarice. Same tayo ng type. Okay. If you could go back to the past and have a conversation with your younger self, anong sasabihin mo or maia-advise mo sa kanya? I think if I would go back, anong kinakain mo, Klein? We have orange here. We have some apples and mango. Nislice na ni Kuya Ouija for me. Tapos, luto niya, jajangmyeon. Good night, what? Okay, so like, let's go back to the question. If you could go back to the past and have a conversation with yourself, anong sasabihin mo? Kung makakabalik ako sa past, siguro, depende sa kung anong age. Pero siguro, kung, like, syempre, mas bata sa akin, sa past, sasabihin ko keep going, continue what you're doing. Actually, before, like, pag nag-self-doubt ako, iniisip ko minsan, parang, I should have started sooner, dapat mas maaga ako nagsimula, baka mas malayo na yung narating ko ngayon. Pero, right now, being in my current state, sa buhay ko ngayon, kung nasan ako, yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin sa past self ko. Continue what you're doing. You're gonna be there. You're gonna be where you want to be. Just keep doing what you want. Yun lang. Yun lang yung gusto kong sabihin sa past self ko kung makakausap ko siya. Ito pansinin na nga natin si Aliyah. Kanina pa yung comment niya eh. May naalala ako last month pa siya, July 13, ang bango nyo. Thank you po. What if shout out? Para nakangiti ako habang natutulog. Shout out kay Shine Roque. Hi Micah. Ilang taon ka na daw? I am 19. 19 po. Happy 40k streams. Thank you, Shout out kay Leonard. Iiyak na ako, walang napapansin. Hi L, na may electric guitar. Klein, dati baby ka pa. Hi Klein. Hi Honey. Hi Jay. So ayun, let's go back to the question. Hi Elijah, thank you. Uy, new fan si Elijah. Guys, Essence, let's welcome Elijah. Bago siyang Essence. Bago din yung Korean yung name. Si Ira. Well, 19 ka lang? Yes, I'm 19. Naisip mo na bang sumuko sa training? No. Nasanay na ako sa training ko sa dance team before. Ayan. Let's go back to the questions. Do you think other people's definition of you is important? Ang gulo kasi nung tanong ni Hain. Hain naman. Next time, check mo muna ang comment bago mo i-comment. Do you think other people's definition of you really matter or is it important? Actually guys, may mga questions na hindi ko sinagot. Hindi ko pinag-prepare ng sagot. Pero, may mga questions na pinag-preparean ko ng sagot. Ito. Ang tanong niya dito is, do you think other people's definition of you is really important? So, I think, ang sagot ko dun, guys, is yes. But it's a case-to-case situation, you know? If it's people that are just like, eto, wait. Ninote ko to eh. Bye, Julian! Excuse me, Evie. So, I think yung answer ko, if it's people that are just like bashers or people that wants to bring you down, then no. Their opinions doesn't matter. Pero, if it's people like your family, your friends, your group members, then yes. Their opinions matter. Kasi, you will actually know kung constructive criticism yung sinasabi nila or gusto ko lang nilang sirain, like pangbabash lang, gusto lang nilang sirain ka, yung confidence mo, yung tiwala mo sa sarili mo, you will feel it in your gut, you will feel it in your intuition. Like, syempre, kung mga tao lang yan na parang wala namang ambag sa buhay mo, hindi ka naman nila pinalamon, or like, alam mo yun, kung mga tao lang yan na wala namang ambag sa buhay mo, bakit mo sila papakinggan? So, I think it's better na dun ka sa mga taong alam mo na may pakialam sa'yo. So, if like, kunwari, may napapansin sa'yo na, bye, Ligaya! Hi, Bianx! Siyempre, kunwari, may napapansin na sa'yo yung mga family members mo or may napapansin na sa'yo. In my case, may napapansin na sila Kuya Ouija sa akin. I would change. I would self-reflect and I would think about Evie. Sorry, yung aso po yun. I would think about what I'm doing and change it, of course. Kasi those are the people that I know that cares about me. Pero like, kung may sinabi lang sa'yo or may chismis about you tapos alam mo namang hindi totoo, then why bother? Don't listen, guys. Huwag niyo papakinggan yung alam nyong hindi totoo. Papakinggan nyo lang yung mga taong alam nyong may pakialam sa inyo and wants the best for you. Sige, ganito na lang. Para makatapos ako ng kain. Kada question, sagot, tapos pakainin niyo ako, okay? Yeah, tanong mo to, Ate Hain. Hi, Neil. Welcome, honey. I'm actually glad, like, nakakatulong ako. Like, sa pag-chichika, pag kwento-kwento ko lang dito. Sarap yan. Yes! Luto ni Kuya Ouija. Sarap. Super. Guys, ito pala, may napansin lang ako, guys. Like, kunwari, whenever I'm on live, there's a lot of people that would keep asking, nasan si ganito, nasan si ganyan, nasan si ganito, nasan si ganyan. O kaya, some of the people would like, sinong next na magla-live? Sinong magla-live sunod? Or, nasan si ganitong member? Nasan si ganyang member? Actually, that's not really that offensive. Pero, it's not really that good then. Guys, kaya ako nandito, kaya ako yung nagla-live, because I'm available. And ako yung nandito, so, let's not look for other members. Kasi, if they're available, they would go live for you guys. Siguro, like, hindi nila feel pa or may mga ginagawa rin sila. Ayun. Di ba nga, sabi ni Kuya Ouija, wag natin hanapin yung wala. So, ayun. I'm here in front of you guys. I'm going live. Hindi natin alam kung sino yung next na magla-live. But, of course, Sixth Sense would make sure na we would always entertain you guys and give you what we can offer. Hi, Daniela. Yan. Yeah. Congratulations sa 40k streams ng hindi na. Thank you. Ayun. Yeah, guys, always remember that, okay? Huwag natin hanapin yung wala and be respectful kung sino yung nagla-live. Hindi lang sa akin, pati sa ibang members kasi I'm sure all the other members wouldn't also like that na pag nagla-live sila tapos hahanapin yung ibang members. I'm speaking for all of my brothers here. And for the other P-pop idols. Ayun. Okay, next. Sabi, may nag-question. Will you upload vlogs or dance covers sa YouTube channel nyo? Yes. Abangan nyo lang guys. We will be uploading more contents very very soon. I hope you guys stick with us. Next question. What's your shoe and shirt size? My shoe size is 9 and my shirt size is usually I range to small to medium. Hi Ashley Lorraine. Yes, Sixth Sense and Essence walang iwanan. Yeah. I'm really actually grateful sa mga Essence cause they welcomed me with a warm hug. You're welcome, honey. Thank you, Elijah. Sabi ni Zia, nabanggit mo ata sa live mo na you like villains. So, sinong favorite villain mo? Favorite villain ko, actually, hindi ako mahilig dun sa mga masasama talaga. Like, minamahal ko yung mga villains dahil sa backstory nila. So, I really love Maleficent. Si Maleficent ang favorite villain ko. Tapos si Scarlet Witch. Ito. Question ulit ni Zia. If bibigyan ka ng chance na makipag-swap sa life ng ibang Sixth Sense members, kaninong life ang gusto mo for a day and why? I don't really know who. Because so far, I'm enjoying my life right now. So far, I'm really happy and contented with everything I have. Pero kung for fun, si Kuya Lee. Kasi super layo ng height gap namin. And I would love to see the point of view ng isang matangkad na tao. Like, anong paningin nung nasa height na 5'11", tapos nakasapatos ka pa. Diba? Pero, anong point of view mo dyan? Malamig ba dyan sa taas? Diba? Gusto kong ma-experience yung height ni Kuya Lee. Diba? Parang, kumusta ka dyan sa taas? Ano dyan? Malamig ba dyan? Kain tayo ng apple. Mm. Hi, Ses. Ito. Sabi, lastly, another message for yourself. It could be a question, advice, rant, or a reminder for the 3 years future me, future Klein. Ano? Siguro kakamustahin ko muna. Future Klein. 3 years, so anong year yon? To 2026. Kamusta? Siguro kakamustahin ko siya. Pero sabihin ko, eto wait. Saan ba yung dinote ko? May dinote ako dito na message ko eh. Thank you po sa gifter badge. Tama ba? Ay, hindi. Siya pala yung may gifter badge. Ako pala yung may gift. Sorry. Ito. Ayun. Ito yung note ko sa question na to. Ito yung magiging message ko sa future me. 3 years ahead of me. Kamusta? I hope you're happy. I hope that you're still with Sixth Sense. I hope that you are growing and still learning. I am working so hard right now so you can be the best version of me. I hope you're not doubting yourself anymore. And please, whatever you're going through right now, as we always did, we will get through it. It will pass. Hinga lang, tuloy lang. Yeah. That would be my message for my future self. Sarap ng apple, guys. Guys, totoo yung an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Kasi guys, ang sarap ng apple. Thank you, Neil. Napanood niyo na po ba yung Avatar 2? Dapat pa panoorin namin siya ni Drew. Dapat pa panoorin namin ni Drew yung Avatar 2. Kaso, na-bored kami. Asan si Sevi? Guys, so, sagutin ko na lang in one answer. Ang nasa bahay lang ngayon is Kuya Ouija and me. Kasi, pauwi pa lang yung iba. I mean, bukas pa sila. This week pa lang. Basta wala pa sila. Si Drew, nasa Cavite. Kuya Asa, basta nasa mga bahay-bahay sila. Hi, Bunso. Hi, Crayon. Nalock pala yung Twitter ni Zia, kaya pala medyo hindi siya maingay ngayon. Medyo tahimik lang siya sa X. Ito. Okay. If hindi ka member ng Sixth Sense, sino sa kanila ang tingin mo magiging bias mo at bakit? Kuya Jai would be my bias. That's definitely my answer. Kasi nung napanood ko yung music video ng Sixth Sense, yung Good Boy, si Kuya Jai talaga yung nakakatch ng attention ko dun sa part ng kigato sabihin nang di na uulit-ulitin pa. Yun gusto kong part. Kaya yeah, si Kuya Jai. And actually most na naging bias ko sa mga K-pop groups is puro rappers. It's either main dancers or the main rappers. Yun yung mga nagiging bias ko. Shout out kay Barbecue. Ito, my question si Ate Hain. Actually, this question was really interesting. I really love this question. Tapos, sinagot ko na siya sa notes. I did my notes. Pero, kain muna ako, wait. Sarap ng luto ni Kuya, hindi ko pwedeng palamigin to. Actually, malamig na eh. Pero, masarap. Okay. So, balik tayo sa question. Thank you sa roses. Ang dami ng roses. Hala. 138 roses. Thank you po. Naglag ako dun ah. Pero ano, ang dami nun ah. Thank you, Claricel. Ala, palaban si Claricel. Thank you sa roses. Ayoko mag-AI guys, hindi bagay sa akin yung AI live. Swear. Anyway, let's go back to Ate Haynes' question. If you, guys, maganda tong question na to. Makinig kayo. If you are in the position that you don't really love now what you are doing, like you do it because it's your responsibility, what would you do? Will you choose to live in that situation? No. Wait lang, mali yung grammar. Wait. If you are in the position that you don't really love what you're doing, like you do it because it's your responsibility, what would you do? Will you choose to live that situation for your inner peace, or stay because maybe someday the spark and love will be back? Okay. So, sasagutin ko yung question na yun. Pero, I'll make it in my point of view. Like, let's make it like this. Kunwari, ako, as Klein, umabot sa point na yan, I can't really say na I don't love what I'm doing. Kasi, kaya ako umabot sa point na to, kaya ako naging Sixth Sense member, kaya ako naging nandito, kasi I love what I'm doing. So, in times na may ganyan yung nararamdaman ko, that may be caused by burnout or there's been a lot going on na na-overwhelm ako. Ganun. Ay, grabe naman magkamot ang aso. Excuse me, Evie. Yeah. Ayan. Ayun. Kunwari, I can't really say na hindi ako nililindol, guys. Nagkakamot yung aso sa baba. Ayun. So, ang question ni Ate Hain, kung nandun daw ba ako sa posisyon na hindi ko na gusto yung